Welcome back to Partick Hill Station. Let's make some trees. Now you can go out to the backyard anytime now and pick up some dead flowers. Next stage is to get some hairspray and spray them. Next thing you want to do is take some Super 77 3M adhesive and just lightly spray. The next thing to do is to take some flock of your choice and your colour and just sprinkle it and just give some additional hairspray. And then spray some more. While continuing to add, and remember, always do the underside of the tree, because leaves don't just grow on the top. Just continue giving it a little bit extra adhesive. And adding in more flock. You can mix up the flock and the glue and it will become kind of clumpy, and you can add that on. And you can use larger pieces of clump different shades. To give it more depth. When you're happy with the tree, you can set it aside and let it dry, and if necessary, you can add some paint to it to give some additional colour and depth. You can always go back in and finish it off, and in this case you can break it off into a smaller piece and then add that in. there you have a nice tree that will fit on your model railway. Very simple, no great skill required, and I'm sure you can come up with your own perfect design. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much for dropping by. And please remember to give me the big thumbs up. And Happy New Year. And here we have the tree installed on the main street. You can make it as tall as you wish. You can cut pieces off. You can lighten it, take off some branches, add some in. But there you go, a tree in 5 or 10 minutes.